Okay man, here's your sketch. I've got timings in it that are the debugging timings, okay, so it's going to run a bit more quicker than the real sketch. This is the blinky light, that's the discharge, and that's the forward and reverse charge, or reverse and forward, whichever way you like it. And these are your two voltage sensors, okay, so these pots are hooked up onto your analog inputs. Now if I wind this one up, you can see that the red charge comes on, and the blinky light indicates that it's charging, and the red light comes off for a couple of seconds to take the voltage. So it takes the voltage now. If I crank up the voltage even further, the discharge comes on, and so now it's discharging, and it checks the voltage every now and then. Let's discharge this voltage here with the pot, and once it's discharged down to a point, it charges the other way, and at that point this pot doesn't do anything anymore. I've got to bring the charge up with this pot, and bring it all the way up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, and it starts discharging, and then I've got to discharge it back down with this pot. Discharge, discharge, and then it starts charging up on the other polarity again. This thing goes long short when it's charging one way, and short long when it's charging the other way. So at the moment it's going long short. Bring it all the way up. Other pot, bring it all the way up. Bring it down, and now this will be going short long, see, to indicate the direction. Now the only other thing to note is that if both of these pots are up and we reset it, it goes into this error mode and will stay there. So the only way to get it out of that is to bring both of these pots down, or one of them down, and to reset. There you go. Back happening again. And yeah, that's it. That's your sketch.